Hello everyone. This video will show you how to use the CPT 2020 coding manual or code book. This version is the professional edition, so if you have the professional edition, it does come with tabs on the inside cover of your manual. These are nice to just be able to pop off and put with the associated section. So for example, I've tabbed the back of my book where the index is. That'll take me right to the index. And then I also tabbed the digestive section just to show you. But the book is broken down by sections based on the anatomical section. So for cardiovascular, we would just come here and get the cardiovascular tab and put that on. Like so. So go ahead and tab your book. A couple other things I wanted to tell you about your book. On the inside front cover, there are all the modifiers. There's two columns. The column on the left is the physician modifier list. The column on the right is the hospital outpatient approved modifier list. Some of these are the same, some of them are different. The symbols that are used in the CPT Code Book are also at the very top of the left column. Then the modifiers can also be found in the back of our book in the appendix. Appendix A right here has modifiers, their descriptions, and then some more information about what each one of those are. So when using modifiers, you can flip to the very front or you can come to this Appendix A for the modifiers. Now, when looking up regular codes, there's two sections. We have the index, which is in the back of the book. It's listed alphabetically by the name of the procedure or the anatomical site. We have the tabular, which is all the center area where all the codes are housed by numeric order. Now, the front of the book is the E&M coding, which is the very first section of CPT. It starts here with the guidelines. Then the next section is the anesthesia section. And again, if you tab these, it does make it go a lot quicker. Anesthesia, then we have the surgery and all the different body systems of the surgery. Then we have radiology, we have path and lab, and then medicine is our last one. So the bulk of the codes you can see are from the surgery section. So that goes from codes 15999 to 69979. Actually, this surgery starts with integumentary, which is code 1004. So all the tabular list includes the codes as well as a code description, any kind of notation if there's information in the coding clinic. If there's a symbol, it's at the bottom. It tells you what that means if you're not sure what a symbol is next to a code. Like for right here is an example. There's a plus beside code 65757, which is an add-on code, and it tells us use code 65757 in conjunction with 65756. So anytime you see that plus, that's an add-on code letting you know you need to add it on to another code. It cannot be coded alone. So let's practice looking up a surgery in our CPT book. We're going to code a diagnostic colonoscopy. So our main term that we're going to look up is either colon or colonoscopy. So we're going to flip to the index, again, the back of our book. We're going to go to C, to colonoscopy. And then I said diagnostic. So under colonoscopy, we're going to go to diagnostic, which you can see is code 45378. We then do what we call verifying that code. So I'm going to now flip to the tabular section where that code is housed. and read the code description, read the coding tip above it, make sure that's the code I want to assign, and assign code 45378.